Good morning, guys. Today is November the 9th, 2025, and we are going to go ahead and get started with these starfruit seeds. Yes, so I actually let them sit up a little bit longer because I wanted them to get a little bit more ripe for me. They are at the sweetest when they become this color here and they start to turn a little bit brown. To me, that is, to me. Now, the thing about starfruits, just in case you don't know, they may come with seeds and they may not. So the way that I'm doing it is to actually protect the seed. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to cut like this down the sides. All the way down in the grooves, because I am searching for seeds and I don't want to cut anything if there is a seed. It's the only thing about starfruits, it's like a gamble. You don't know if you're going to get a seed or not, which is actually fun and exciting as well. So you can just cut that little end off if you want to make it a little bit better, and just open it up. Now they will be hiding in the center of the fruit if there is a seed. So I take my fingers and I just run it through to see. And if there's not, nope, I eat it. And I eat the skin too. I washed it off really well. You can eat the skin. It's so good, guys, so good. Super juicy. Good morning. Okay. Uh-oh, we're lucky. That's a seed, baby. That's a seed. We're going to take it. This is distilled water. I'm going to put it in there. It's warm. Just like a little bit warmer than room temperature. That's another one. When you do it like this, you actually protect the seed better than cutting it in the starfruit way. You know, like the long way. There's two more. And now, I'm gonna eat it. I washed my hair last night. So good. So guys, I'm not gonna make you watch me eat this, but it's so good. So I'm gonna let you go. I'll be back when I get the seeds out and clean them up and show you the next part. Peace.